Hello! Today I decided to make a small film about the maintenance of my grinding machine. Some people thought that I would take a long time to replace the grinding belt. Now I will show that this is not so. So I need a key for 17 and a screwdriver. So it took 5 minutes and the machine was dismantled. Now you can change the tape or any other node. Try to change a bearing on the factory grinder. You can spend a few hours on this, provided that you have the necessary tool. For my machine, there is only one key, a screwdriver, and 5 minutes of time. Suppose I changed the tape and now I need to assemble the machine, collect it in the reverse order. It will take another 5 minutes. That is, our repair will take 10 minutes. If you change the tape on a factory grinder, you will do the same job faster, but this only applies to changing the grinding belt. All other repair work will take you much longer. you must put the screw in the same place where they stood, so as not to disturb the construction. I use a small nail to find the old hole. I finished a series of film about the grinding machine. The plans of the machine you can find on my website, the link below in the description. Bye!